Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Samson Tech Station. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through on how to clear your search history on Facebook. Maybe you have searched a lot of things on Facebook and you want to clear them. You don't want another person to know the things you have searched on Facebook. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how to do that. If this is your first time visiting this channel, please do it to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know when we create more helpful videos like this on this channel. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into the video. First, all you need to do is to click on the three-line icon on the top of your screen once you have done logging in your profile. Next, you are going to be clicking on the settings, and here you are going to be clicking on see more in account center. Here you are going to be clicking on your profile. You are going to be clicking on your information and permissions. You're going to be clicking on search history, and on my account you're going to be seeing your search histories here. So this is all the things I'll search on my Facebook. If you want to clear it, you can go ahead and click on clear or search history as well. So that is it on how to clear your search history on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, because I come to the very end of this video, please do to subscribe, hit the notification bell in order for you to know what will create more helpful videos like this on this channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.